Hey everyone, okay, so this is exciting, so exciting. So when Dr. Sam releases a new product, I get very excited about that, and I'm going to explain a little bit more about something I'm thinking of doing with her product range at the end of this video. But she has just released an eye cream, and this is pretty much going to be the eye cream to end all eye creams, and it's this one, Dr. Sam's Flawless Nightly Eye Serum. And there it is in all its gorgeous glory. Now, of course, most eye creams and most eye serums, they tend to do one thing, which is overly hydrate. And we kind of want that underneath the eye area because it is quite thin. And it does, there is no doubt, it is the one area that kind of shows up the aging process more than pretty much anything else. And it's certainly a bothersome thing with me. My goal is that I would love the under eye area of a real housewife of the OC. You know when they smile and the skin underneath the eyes doesn't move? And that isn't Botox, by the way, because Botox is given around this side. So when you smile, you don't crease up along the crow's feet area, but it doesn't stop the skin underneath the eye moving, because if you're going to freeze here, something else is going to have to start moving instead. That's why you see bunny lines, but it's surgery that gives that very smooth under eye effect. I'm not going to get surgery, don't worry about that, but I would love an eye cream that did that. Maybe this will, who can say, but what I can say is what this will do. So this is a true hydrating product, but it's added with actives, which is quite rare in eye creams. Most eye creams are just hydrators. This is an actual hydrating active formula. So what does it actually have in it that can benefit one's skin? Well, let's take a look. You've got a retinoid in here at 2%, which of course is for firmness and visible lines, all that kind of stuff. You've got 5% niacinamide for barrier function and reduction of dark circles. And you've got glucoside, which is to prevent free radicals and just give a brighter overall gorgeous look to the skin. Delicious. And then you've got something called the triple S complex, which is squalene, shea, and sodium hyaluronate. I find that word really difficult to pronounce or say, and I don't even know if I'm saying it correctly, and I won't be saying it again. Maybe I will. Hyaluronate. That is a very peculiar word. So, this is why this formula is pretty revolutionary when you look at all other eye formulas. You've got a retinoid, you've got niacinamide, you've got that other long word, and all of these things are working synergistically together underneath the eye area. And then you've got the hydrators. So you're getting that hydration factor, which smooths the under eye area. And then you are getting the actives as well. So this is how you use it, and this is how I apply it. You take half a pump of this gorgeous, gorgeous, sexy product. Just half a pump is all that is needed, which is really just, that's my eyes. Come on, bloody camera. There you go. And you just dot it underneath the eye and onto the kind of bony part of the eye, underneath the eye, and then the bony part, whatever's left on my fingers, I ain't wasting it, and you then blend it gently underneath the eye. And this is applied, I believe, at night, because this is the Flawless Nightly Eye Serum. So yeah, it's a nighttime one. And you just blend it gently around the eye socket, avoiding the eyelid, I believe. And the good thing, I mean, retinoids and retinol products are known to firm skin. They're clinically proven that they firm skin, that they reduce fine lines and wrinkles, that they build collagen. You've got niacinamide in there, which is going to really help deal with those issues with darkness underneath the eyes. Now, that isn't too much of an issue for me, but I know it is for a lot of people, and it can be very bothersome. And then you've got that other long word, which helps with the free radical damage and overall brightness. And then the triple S complex for this kind of hydration. Now, because this is an active formula, you know, actives can be a little bit irritating. I've not found this irritating at all. And I don't state this lightly when I say this. As far as I'm aware, unless something magical comes out that gives me the Housewives of OC under eye area, this will forever now be my eye cream. Because firstly, there are a couple of people in this world who I trust. I trust Dr. Sam because she is legit. truly legit dermatologist. And I trust my dermatologist who works in Cardiff, who is Dr. Maria Gonzalez. She is lovely, lovely, lovely. If I need skincare advice or there's an issue, these are the people that I would go to. Now, obviously, Maria lives a lot closer to me, which is sad because I truly believe that Dr. Sam and I would get on incredibly well in real life. I think we'd have a very lovely relationship if I weren't absolutely, you know, completely and utterly gay. I think we would have a lovely life together. Of course, you know, that's not going to happen. Can't help it. Sorry. But that's how fond I am of her. I think she is absolutely wonderful. And when she releases a product like this, I am interested in it. And the fact that this has got 3 actives, it's got 3 hydrators in it, and that's more than pretty much any other brand out there. Now, what I mentioned in the beginning of this video is I'm pretty tempted to go on a full 6-month course of just using her skincare, because she has a whole course of this. Oh, and it's worth mentioning, I'm not sponsored for this. I'm not affiliated with it. This is mine, just so you know. Okay, so I was thinking of going on a 6-month only using her skincare to see what results you get. Now, she's obviously got the cleanser, but she has a Brightly product which uses azelaic acid among other actives for the day, a sunscreen, a very good moisturizer for those of you with dry skin, very good moisturizer. And she's got her nightly product, which is a retinoid. And I'm very interested to seeing how my skin would react to using nothing but those products for a prolonged period of time. I'm pretty interested in seeing how this would work out. So I'm thinking of doing it. I would love to know if you want to see that kind of long-term video, because I will just film it to begin with and then you'll just see the update in 6 months' time. But I think it would make for an interesting one. We review products very quickly, and I think one of the reasons why skincare fails us so much is that we aren't giving it enough time, because oh look, there's something new and it's shiny and it's pretty, and therefore we use it. And we've only been using the new product we just bought for 2 weeks, and now we've gone and bought another one. And skin has like a 6-week turnover cycle, so it's going to take time. And I think, how about a 6-month bloody review on a skincare brand that I'm very fond of? I'm very fond of the founder, so I think it might be interesting. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment section. But here we are, Dr. Delicious Sam. Mwah! You beauty. 3 hydrators, 3 actives, dark circles, wrinkles, firmness, brightness. Yes, please, let's give it a go. Thanks for watching. All the information is right down there. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.